Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vedant and you are watching Crazy Creativity with Vedant. So today we are going to learn how to make a shark puppet. So to make this puppet, you will be requiring these materials. So guys, now first to make our puppet, we need a A4 paper. So first we'll fold this A4 paper. Make sure you don't fold it till the end, leave a little bit space and fold it. So guys, now after folding it, now the extra part which is left, we'll fold it and glue it inside. So for gluing it inside, I'll take some Fevicol and we'll apply it over the end. So I've applied some glue over here. Now we'll take this extra part, we'll fold it and we'll stick it over here. So I have stick this. Now we'll turn this sheet around. Now I'll first fold it into half. So guys, now fold it into half. Now we'll take this part and now we'll fold it till over here. Now I'll turn the sheet around and do the same with this part. So guys, now our puppet is almost ready. So you can put your hands in this pocket and the other hand in this pocket. So we'll decorate our puppet like a shark. So I have these teeth which I'll stick inside in this mouth, in the shark's mouth. So let me apply some glue. So I'll apply some glue and stick it. So now after sticking the teeth, we'll take one of its eye. So I have made this eye and I have left a small part at the end so that the eye sticks over here. So we'll apply some glue. And now we'll stick the eye. So one eye is sticked. Now we'll stick the other eye. So guys, now both the eyes are sticked in place. And our teeth are also sticked in place. It pretty much looks like a shark, but to give it a little more, add a little more, I have these two pieces which are like fins, which I'll attach over here. So first I'll glue these two pieces together. Now I'll apply some glue at the bottom. And we'll stick it over here. So guys, now our fin is also sticked in place. Now shark puppet is ready. But as you can see, in the mouth I have just attached this teeth. I'll attach some more. I'll attach this orange paper in it, so it looks a little nice. So first we'll cut the extra part of it out. So guys, now I'll stick the orange paper inside, and our puppet is ready. So you can put your hands, one hand over here and the other hand in the bottom pocket. And now your puppet speaks. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like. Make sure to subscribe to Crazy Creativity with Vedant. Thank you.